second type of integral. Now we are having, let's derive this one to find integration of x square minus a square dx. Okay, so now we can write this as, we are going to find integration of x square minus a square with 1 with dx. Now integrating by parts, and taking square root of x square minus a square as first function, as 1 as a second function. Now we are having square root of x square minus a square integration of 1 dx minus integration d by dx of square root of x square minus a square with integration of 1 dx and dx. Okay. Now this becomes x square minus a square minus integration of 2x upon 2 square root of x square minus a square with x dx. X square minus a square minus integration of x square upon square root of x square minus a square dx. Now just to make it in simplest form, what we are going to do, we are writing x square minus a square minus integration of x square minus a square plus a square upon x square minus a square dx. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take this as a one term and second as a second term. So now we are having integration of x square minus a square, first part minus integration of x square minus a square upon square root of x square minus a square dx, then minus a square integration of dx upon square root of x square minus a square. Is it clear? Now what we are having, what we get it now, we are having integration of x square minus a square minus integration of square root of x square minus a square dx minus a square dx of square root of x square minus a square. Now we have gone through the standard integrals of the second type, that was d integration of dx upon x square minus a square. This was equal to log mod of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Now we are going to use this formula for this part. Okay, so we are left with now x square minus a square minus I, this is this one from where we have started, minus a square log x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. This I shifts to this side, x square minus a square log plus c, and finally what we have, we are having x upon 2 x square minus a square upon 2 log x plus x square minus a square plus c proved.